Did you know that you can turn any website into a mobile app? Pretty cool, right? Let's take Google Sites as an example and walk through the process together. Let's create a website using the event template to build your site. Customize the content to fit your needs. Hit Publish to make it live. Choose a site name and then copy the site link. Open the link in a new window. Everything looks great. If you check it using Google Chrome Inspector, you'll see how it appears on mobile devices. Looks good there too. Now, let's turn our website into a mobile app using Appery. If you don't have an Appery account, sign up. It's free and takes less than a minute. Create a new app using the website to app template. Open the settings service and enter your website URL. At this point, you can export an Android or iOS app, but first, let's test it. Use the Appery tester for a quick preview. Click the Scan button and scan the QR code. Check out how your app looks. Everything should work smoothly. But there's an unwanted element on the page that we want to remove. Since Google Sites doesn't support custom JavaScript, we'll fix it using Appery. Open Google Chrome Inspector and find the element. Note the attribute that identifies it. Go back to Appery and open the Load Stop Event function. This runs after the site loads. Insert the code to remove the element. No worries, it's simple. Save the project and test it again. No need to scan the QR code this time. Go to History and select the latest app version. The unwanted element is gone. Now, let's turn it into a real app. Select Export for the Android platform. Once the app is built, a QR code will appear. Scan it, open the link, download the app, install it, and launch it. That's it. In just a few minutes, we turned a website into a fully functional mobile app and even customized it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content.